I'm Kim Juniper. I'm a professor at the University of Victoria. My training is in marine microbiology. That's the study of bacteria in the oceans and their role in marine ecosystems. In addition to that, I have another interest which is very different. We study big things on the floor of the deep sea using cameras attached to deep diving submarines. There is a larger biomass of microbes in the ocean than anything else altogether. Whales are just a drop in the bucket compared to the millions of tons of microbial cells that are floating around unnoticed and invisible in the ocean. They play a really important role in the CO2 cycle in the oceans and also in recycling nutrients that the plant life in the ocean needs in order to produce food for everything else. When we do DNA fingerprinting, the typical CSI lab that we see on television, the enzymes that are used to make copies of that little bit of DNA that you scraped off a spoon or the murderer's weapon, we need to make many copies of that DNA before we can actually fingerprint it. And the enzyme that allows us to do this comes from a very specific high temperature bacteria. We're discovering that the tremendous diversity of microbes that we have in the sea is a natural and perhaps very important genetic resource for future biotechnology. Microbes matter. We can't see them, but we couldn't live without them.